It's that time of year again, Brussels sprout season. They're being harvested now. It's the best time to get Brussels sprouts. I know. You're like, AJ, we hate Brussels sprouts. We don't want a recipe on Brussels sprouts. They're bitter, they're blah, no one likes them. Listen, I used to hate Brussels sprouts. I love them now. I've been making them for the last couple of years. It's great things you can do with them. They're great with an acid like a balsamic vinegar, roasted in the oven with some feta cheese, goat cheese on top. Can't go wrong with it. Today we are making my sweet chili heat version of Brussels sprouts, and shout out to Jack and Will over at Fallow Restaurant in the UK. Their recipe looked amazing, so I need to make it and put my own little twist on it. So let's get into it. Start with 1 pound of Brussels sprouts, all about the same size. Cut the bigger ones in half. Then coat them with your favorite olive oil and place them into an air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan set to medium-low heat and add in a splash of water. Then mix until the water and butter are emulsified. Then toss in 1 more tablespoon of butter and mix until you have a butter emulsion. A butter emulsion is a great way to make a simple sauce. It's just a bit of butter and a splash of water melted together and emulsified. You can flavor it whatever you want. There's some herbs in there, some garlic, and make a garlic butter emulsion. Be great for some baked potatoes. Now toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped bacon, adding your cooked Brussels sprouts to the pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of caramelized onions. If you don't know how to make caramelized onions, I have a recipe in the description box below. Add in a good squeeze of sweet chili sauce, a couple tablespoons, and then give it a good mix. On top of using chili sauce, you can use any sauce you want and make them your own as well. If you don't want sweet chili sauce, use barbecue sauce. I bet you that will taste good as well. Crack in some fresh black pepper and salt to taste. Then add in 1/4 cup of roasted pecans. The little cool thing you can do here is instead of adding roasted pecans, add in some candy pecans for a little bit of crunch and sweetness and deliciousness. Give it a try. It's really good. Or add whatever you want in. If you don't want pecans, don't add pecans. Add some walnuts. If you don't like nuts, put whatever you want in. It's your recipe. Add whatever flavors you want. Top it with some goat cheese or feta. Whew, that'd be really good. If you don't even want to use hot sauce, make them without it. Take what you want out of it. It's your recipe. Make it the way you want to make it. If you don't like it, don't make it that way. You gotta eat the Brussels sprouts and you gotta like them in the end. Then zest in half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now give it a good mix and serve it hot. These are gonna be the best sweet chili Brussels sprouts you ever had. I know when I made them a few times at my house, they were devoured really quickly. That never happens with Brussels sprouts, so make sure you give them a try. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And until next time, FOOD-DEE out.